Heyo, it's Anna from Atlas. In this video, I will show you how to georeference images. This is not geocoding. Remember, geocoding is about bringing a spreadsheet, address-based data, or with coordinates by a CSV, and then making it a spatial layer. So that's about geocoding. There are other videos about geocoding, but this is about georeferencing. So if you have image-based data, PDF, PNG, JPEG, and it has a spatial component, or it's an image of the map and you want it to be in the right location. So this is georeferencing. So let's go ahead, we bring it as we usually bring data. So we go and add data, we go and upload, we go and find this one image I have here, New York City. And right now you can see it doesn't look normal, it's all yellow and it tells you you need to georeference it. So let's go and click there. And now you're going to get a bit of a different view where you're going to select certain reference points to make sure that they are in the right place. So I think we can go ahead and search for Manhattan, because this is Manhattan after all. So we are going right there and look similar, right? So let's take that off and let's have a look into this. So what we start by doing is you can see the cursor looks different and it is ready to set a point. So let's go and look for some similarities. So for example, we can go to the very edge of it, the island. So let's go and click one there. And then we can do the same in the image. So let's go and set another reference point. So you see they both have number 1, meaning they are the same spot in different images. And then let's go and set another point. Maybe let's see, does everything look similar? I mean, there goes this bridge. So, or is it the same bridge? I think it is the same bridge. So I think we could set one point there and then another point there. Nice. Let's set another point. Maybe we can go for the corner of, that is Central Park, right? So now we see we have enough points to go ahead and see the overlay. We can also do a 4th point if we want, for example, there on the other side. And then you can always go and check the overlay, because right now we're in split view, so we have them right next to each other. But if you go to overlay, you can see it appearing on top, and then you can check a bit the other things you can see. Does it seem like it fits? It actually looks like it fits perfectly. So then you can go ahead and confirm georeferencing. See, it should be there. It might take just a while that it renders. Yes, it's coming, and there we go. Looks good. So this is an old image of a New York City right on top of the real city. So this is how your georeference images in Atlas.